Wow, I missed being outside so much. I haven't been outside much since we started renovating the room, and then all the furniture arrived and I had to assemble that with my boyfriend, so I haven't been outside properly in about 2 weeks probably, and I've missed it so much. I just missed the air and the quietness of the forest and the birds. It's so nice. It's gotten so green and lush and just so warm, actually pretty hot for May. It's been like 27 degrees Celsius, which is like summertime temperature. We're not used to it being this warm in May. However, I just can't believe how green everything has gotten in the span of just 2 weeks. It's unbelievable and so beautiful. Just, it amazes me every time. We took some time off work to renovate a room that we have now acquired for ourselves, as nobody was using it. It is directly next to our bedroom that was previously sealed off and hidden behind a huge wardrobe we used to have. It felt great to work with my hands again, and as the guys focused on more technical and heavy-duty chores, I did a lot of sanding, a lot of painting. Finally, the room is nearly done, and I love our new creative space. It feels like I was always waiting for us to bring some life back into it. We visited some family friends last week, and I was so inspired by their beautiful little garden area that it made me really want to start a vegetable garden of my own. Till now, I have only ever grown flowers and herbs, but as food is getting more and more expensive as well as poorer in quality, I feel that learning as much about gardening and self-sufficiency as possible is key in times like these. I'll try to learn as much as I can so that by next year I can start my own tiny vegetable garden that will hopefully feed us throughout the year. I feel like staying connected to nature is what grounds us and makes us grow spiritually. As your plants grow, so does your self-development. And I think it's really important that we stay connected so that we may grow roots as well as stems and reach some sort of enlightenment. Because all we can do in life is grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See you soon.